Smart strategies for safe food storage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for every kitchen out there: secure food storage. Whether you're a home cook, a student living on your own, or just someone interested in keeping your food fresh and safe, this video is for you. We'll explore what secure food storage means and why it's so important. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets to keeping your food safe and sound. Secure food storage refers to the methods and practices used to keep food safe from contamination and spoilage. It involves properly handling, storing, and preserving food items to extend their shelf life and prevent foodborne illnesses. This includes everything from sealing food in airtight containers to refrigerating perishables promptly. The goal is to maintain the quality and safety of your food, ensuring it's healthy to eat. Food safety is critical for several reasons. Firstly, it protects you and your family from foodborne illnesses, which can be caused by bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that thrive in improperly stored food. Secondly, it saves money by reducing food waste. When you store food correctly, it lasts longer, meaning you throw away less. Finally, secure food storage also preserves the taste and nutritional value of your food, making your meals more enjoyable and healthy. Keep it cool. Store perishable items like dairy, meat, and vegetables in the refrigerator immediately after purchase. Seal the deal. Use airtight containers or special storage bags to keep air out and protect your food from contaminants. Label and date. Mark containers with the storage date. This helps you track how long food has been stored and reduces the risk of consuming spoiled items. Dry and dark places. Store grains, nuts, and spices in a cool, dry, and dark place to extend their shelf life. Freeze for longevity. Freezing is an excellent way to preserve the quality of many foods for months or even years. Avoiding common storage mistakes can further ensure the safety and longevity of your food. Here are a few to keep in mind. Cross-contamination. Always keep raw meats away from other foods to prevent the spread of harmful bacteria. Improper sealing. Make sure containers are sealed tightly. Poorly sealed food can spoil faster and attract pests. Overloading the fridge. A packed refrigerator can hinder air circulation, leading to uneven cooling and potential spoilage. Secure food storage is more than just a practice. It's a commitment to health and safety in your kitchen. By following the tips we've discussed, you can minimize the risk of foodborne illnesses, reduce waste, and enjoy delicious, nutritious meals. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of keeping your food safe and sound. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more helpful tips for your daily life. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in ensuring the well-being of you and your loved ones. Stay safe and happy cooking.